Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am feeling great today, thank you. I went for a walk this morning. The air was so fresh. And you, Jake?
I am okay, but I am a little tired today. I stayed up very late last night.
Oh no, what happened?
I was watching videos on my phone, and then I looked at the time. It was 2 o'clock in the morning.
2 o'clock, Jake, that is so late.
I know. My eyes are very tired today.
Speaking of feeling tired, that is our topic today.
Oh, what are we talking about?
Today we are talking about simple habits for a healthy life.
Ooh, healthy habits. I think I need this topic very much today.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you, it helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. So, Jake, let me ask you something. Do you think you are healthy?
I think maybe not very healthy. I eat a lot of snacks, I don't exercise, and I sleep late.
That is very honest. Many people are like you, Jake.
Really? That makes me feel a little better.
But here's the good news. Small changes can help a lot. You don't need to change your whole life, just one small thing at a time.
One small thing. I like that. Where do we start?
Let's start with the morning. What do you do when you wake up?
I check my phone, then I get out of bed slowly.
And what about breakfast?
Sometimes I eat breakfast, sometimes I skip it.
Skip. That means you don't do it. You jump over it. Many people skip breakfast, but it is not good for your body.
Why not?
Because your body needs food in the morning. Think of your body like a car. Breakfast is the fuel.
Fuel? What is fuel?
Fuel is the energy that makes a car move. F-U-E-L. Fuel. Without fuel, the car cannot go. Without breakfast, your body feels slow and tired.
Oh, so breakfast is fuel for my body. That makes sense. What do you eat for breakfast, Judy?
I eat something simple. 2 eggs and a piece of toast, or some yogurt with fruit. Nothing special.
That sounds easy. I can do that.
Yes, it takes only 5 minutes and you feel so much better all morning.
When I skip breakfast, I feel so tired by 11 o'clock. My stomach makes noise in the meeting.
Your stomach talks to you.
Yes, it says, "Jake, feed me." Very embarrassing.
Embarrassing means you feel shy and uncomfortable. So eat breakfast and your stomach will be quiet.
A quiet stomach. That is a good goal.
And there is one more thing I do every morning. I drink a big glass of water before I eat anything.
Water before breakfast?
Yes, when you sleep, your body loses water. In the morning, your body is thirsty. A glass of water helps you wake up.
I never do that. I always drink coffee first.
Coffee is okay, but water first is better. How much water do you drink every day, Jake?
Maybe 2 glasses?
2 glasses? That is not enough. Your body needs 6 to 8 glasses every day.
6 to 8? That is so much.
When you don't drink enough water, you can get a headache.
Headache? What is a headache?
A headache is a pain in your head. Your head hurts. H-E-A-D-A-C-H-E. Headache.
Oh, I know that feeling. I get headaches in the afternoon sometimes.
Maybe because you don't drink enough water. Try this. Keep a water bottle on your desk. Every hour, take a sip.
Sip? What is a sip?
A sip is a very small drink, just a little. S-I-P. Sip.
Sip. A small drink. Okay, I will keep a water bottle on my desk.
Now let's talk about something very important. Exercise.
Exercise. I knew you were going to say that.
Don't worry, exercise does not mean going to the gym every day.
It doesn't?
No, exercise just means moving your body. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. Walking is exercise. Dancing is exercise. Even cleaning your house is exercise.
Cleaning is exercise? I like that idea. I can tell my mom, I'm not cleaning, I'm exercising.
Very funny, Jake. But really, how often do you move your body?
I walk to the bus stop every morning. Does that count?
That counts, but maybe you can add a little more. I go for a walk every morning, just 20 minutes.
20 minutes. That is not a long time.
No, and after the walk, I feel so good. I feel refreshed. Refreshed means you feel new again, like new energy inside you.
Refreshed. I want to feel refreshed. I always feel tired in the morning.
Try this. After work, go for a short walk, just 10 minutes around your neighborhood.
10 minutes. Okay, that sounds easy.
And you don't need to walk fast, just a slow, easy walk. Look at the trees, listen to the birds, breathe the fresh air.
That sounds relaxing. What do you think about when you walk, Judy?
Sometimes I think about my day, sometimes I listen to music, and sometimes I think about nothing. I just enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the moment. I like that. I'm always looking at my phone when I walk.
Try walking without your phone one time. You will be surprised how good it feels.
Without my phone? That sounds scary, but I will try.
And there is another thing you can do. Stretch.
Stretch? What is stretch?
Stretch means you pull your body gently. You make your muscles long and loose. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. For example, you raise your arms up high, then you lean to the left, then to the right.
Oh, like when you wake up and you go like this?
Yes, that is stretching. It is so good for your body. I stretch every morning, just 5 minutes.
5 minutes of stretching? That sounds nice, actually.
It is. After stretching, your body feels less stiff. Stiff means your body is tight and hard to move.
I feel stiff every morning. My neck hurts, my back hurts.
That's because you sit at your desk all day and you look at your phone too much.
You sound like my mother, Judy.
Your mother is a smart woman. She gives good advice.
She does. She always says, Jake, stand up, move your body, stop looking at your phone.
She is right. Now let me ask you, how many hours do you sleep every night?
Maybe 5 or 6 hours?
5 or 6? That is not enough. Your body needs 7 to 8 hours.
I know, but I cannot stop watching videos at night. My phone is very interesting.
Here is a very good habit. Put your phone away 1 hour before you go to bed.
1 hour? What do I do for 1 hour without my phone?
You can read a book, you can drink some tea, you can listen to calm music.
That sounds very boring, Judy.
It sounds boring, I know, but your body will thank you. When you sleep well, you have more energy the next day.
Energy? What is energy exactly?
Energy is the power to do things. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. When you have energy, you feel strong and awake. When you don't have energy, everything feels hard.
Everything feels hard on Monday. Every Monday.
Because you sleep late on Sunday night.
That is true. I always say just one more video, and then it's midnight.
One more video. That is a dangerous sentence.
Very dangerous. And the next morning I feel terrible. My eyes hurt, my head is heavy. I drink 3 cups of coffee.
3 cups. That is a lot of coffee.
I need it. Without coffee, I'm like a zombie. I walk very slowly. I cannot think. I cannot talk.
A zombie? Well, if you sleep 7 hours, you will not need 3 cups of coffee. Maybe just 1.
1 cup of coffee and more energy. That sounds nice.
It is nice. When I sleep well, I wake up naturally. No alarm clock. My body just wakes up.
No alarm clock. I set 5 alarms every morning, and I still don't want to get up.
5 alarms. Jake, that is a sign. Your body is telling you something. It needs more sleep.
My body talks a lot today. My stomach, now my body. Everyone is talking to me.
Now let's talk about food. What do you usually eat for lunch, Jake?
I usually eat fast food, a burger or fried chicken or noodles.
Every day?
Almost every day. It's fast and easy, and it tastes good.
Fast food is okay sometimes, but every day is too much. Your body needs vegetables and fruit too.
Vegetables. I know. But I don't like cooking.
You don't need to cook anything special. A simple salad takes 2 minutes. Cut some tomatoes, some cucumber, add a little oil and salt. Done.
That does sound easy. What vegetables do you eat?
I eat many kinds. Broccoli, carrots, and spinach. Spinach is a green vegetable. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach.
Spinach? Like Popeye?
Yes, like Popeye. Spinach gives you vitamins and energy.
Maybe I should eat more spinach, and I'll be strong like Popeye.
You don't need to be Popeye. Just eat a little bit of vegetables every day. A small change.
A small change. Okay, I can try that. Maybe I'll buy some fruit tomorrow. Apples and bananas.
That is a great idea. Fruit is nature's snack. Sweet, healthy, and easy to carry.
Nature's snack. I like that. An apple at my desk instead of chips.
Instead of chips. See, you're already making healthy choices. And one more thing about food. Try to cook at home more often.
Cook at home? I told you I'm not a good cook.
You don't need to be a chef. Start with something simple. Rice and vegetables, pasta with tomato sauce. Soup from a can is okay too.
Soup from a can. I can do that. Open the can, put it in a pot, heat it up, done.
Exactly. Cooking at home is usually healthier than fast food, and it saves money.
Healthier and cheaper. Two good things.
Now, there is one more habit I want to talk about.
What is it?
Rest.
Rest? But you said I need to exercise and move.
Yes, but rest is important too. Your body needs time to stop and relax. Rest means you take a break. You slow down.
A break from what?
From everything. Work, phone, noise, stress. Sometimes you need to sit quietly and do nothing.
Do nothing? That's my favorite thing.
But really do nothing. Not looking at your phone, not watching TV, just sitting and breathing.
Just breathing? That sounds strange.
Try it right now. Take a deep breath in, hold it for 3 seconds, then breathe out slowly.
Okay, let me try.
In, hold, and out.
Actually, I feel a little calmer.
See? That's what rest does. It calms your mind and your body. Calm means quiet and peaceful inside.
I should do this at work, too, when I feel stressed.
That's a great idea. Many people forget to rest during the day. They work and work and work, and then they feel so tired at night.
That is me. I work all day without a break.
Yes, take a 5-minute break every hour. Stand up, stretch, breathe deeply. Your body and your mind will feel so much better.
Judy, can I try to remember all the habits?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. Number 1, eat breakfast. It is fuel for your body. Number 2, drink more water, 6 to 8 glasses. Number 3, exercise, walking and stretching count. Number 4, eat vegetables, even a small salad. Number 5, sleep 7 to 8 hours, put your phone away before bed. And number 6, rest, sit quietly and breathe.
Jake, that's perfect. You remembered all 6 habits.
6 simple habits. I can do this.
You can. And remember, you don't need to do everything at once. Start with one, then add another.
I will start tonight. I will put my phone away at 10 o'clock, and I will drink a glass of water before bed.
That's a great start. Small steps every day.
Small steps. Every day, a little healthier.
Exactly. Your body works hard for you every day. Take care of it.
Take care of my body. I will try, Judy. I promise.
I believe you, Jake. And to everyone listening, your health is very important. Small habits make a big difference. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about simple habits for a healthy life.
Yes, eat breakfast, drink water, and eat vegetables.
Good. And exercise, like walking and stretching.
Good. Sleep 7 to 8 hours and rest your mind with deep breathing.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is one healthy habit you do every day? Or what is one habit you want to start?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.